Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I'm just going to take a quick look around the garden, see how things are looking. Mostly for my own records, because I'm fixing to head north. We got cactuses and pineapples on the patio. Oh, got one of my box turtles up here too. Ginger and turmeric are growing well. There's Pally, and there's Ms. Rocky. And we got a couple more small pineapples growing in here. Got one sweet potato that popped up in there. I must have missed one last year. That would be a sweet potato from seed. Shishito peppers are still alive. Few strawberries, only about 3 or 4 I think. Comfrey's doing good. More sweet potatoes in here. These are the sweet potatoes from seed. They could use some more water. We got nothing in here, and I bought some organic potatoes a while back and they started growing, so I stuck them in here, but so far I'm not seeing anything popping up. Back in here we got my seed seed potatoes. They're still growing okay. Got some yellow onions and a few of the red onions starting to pop up. The bell peppers are still growing. We'll see what they can do while I'm gone. Contender bush beans. And tomatoes over on the other side that simply are not doing much at all. A few more pineapples. There's the fig tree. Got some new growth on it too. And the asparagus bed. Oh, and there's another asparagus spear popping up over here. Yeah. Well, I'm going to let that grow too. I'm not going to go back to the mini orchard. It's kind of a jungle back there. But I just wanted to make a quick record before I take off. So I'll see you next time.